you on a rare tour. Oh, the device is too hot, by the way, because it's Florida. It's the Dante's Inferno of all the fucking states. Anyway, about to take a left here on Starkey Boulevard. If you ever have been to this area, perhaps you haven't been to this area 20 years ago, you might be asking yourself, oh, that's weird. I don't remember Starkey Boulevard. Coming off of 54. That's right, I'm on 54. Well, you'd be right, kinda. 2004-ish. Yeah. Anyway, the point is, they had to see when you're rich enough. You see, here's how it works. In case you haven't figured it out, when you're rich enough, then you can get people to just say fuck it to environmentalists and cows and actual farms and shit. Or I guess when a family owner who's owned the land for a long time dies, right? And then you got all their kids who are greedy or spoiled, whatever, and they can't figure out how to equally split that money up, so they just fucking sell, burn it all, baby. And fucking what you get is this. Hey, Longleaf, by the Starkey family. Look at this. This is what we needed, right? Look, it's another neighborhood. Have you never seen a neighborhood? We didn't have neighborhoods before. You didn't know? In Florida? In Port Richey? That wasn't good enough, you see. It's not good enough. So you gotta be poor. But these people are not poor. So they had to build their own little stupid fucking neighborhood. And because they're better than everybody. Don't you know? I mean, now, I might want to mention, they're not better enough to actually call themselves their own town. No, God, no. Because they'd have to pay for their own shit, you see. No. They're unincorporated Pasco County. They're not even part of Port Richey. So they don't want to call themselves a town. They don't want to call themselves a city. So they just fuck right off with that. But, hey, they want you to believe that. AKA, go fuck yourself.